I think Beverage seen him leave out of here.
Yeah, there was an officer going on. Yeah. But I don't know if they caught up with him or anything.
You knew it.
You knew what? You ain't no shit.
I've never been sprayed that bad.
There's a lot. It wasn't long.
Yeah, Goodall said it looked like a damn hose pipe.
Yeah, that shit came out like
They had it.
that. It came out
Girl in the camo black hat.
abundance.
That's the one that had it.
That wasn't no spray. That was a straight up.
So I come for the shoplifting call. Yeah. I see a guy.
Yeah, look at the side. Look at that, yo. He inflicted that shit funny.
So I come for the shoplifting call. Yeah. I see a guy decking his kid with a full-on punch, which makes sure that kid gets ID. It's the.
I forgot about that dude already.
Damn.
See, it was a lot going on in this one video.
He's the victim. Full-on punch, child abuse. I saw it, witnessed it twice. I see the girls come out. They looked familiar. They matched the description. I see them going towards that Avenger. Perfect description from Academy Sports where they stole felony amount. I go up, say, hey, come here. At that point, she pulls it, sprays it. Luckily, it was a thing and not a gun.
Yeah, because if it was, damn it would have. Out of nowhere, it would have got him. It would have definitely been a headshot. They got him.
So I was already on the floor watching.
That's what hurts is he's able to talk a little bit more now.
Yeah, but I've heard they've been using like bear spray and shit like that. So
the one in Nashville, I think, did it. Greenwood,
Uh-huh.
Green Hills or something.
Yes, yeah. So this is the three of them. Okay, this is the one that I have on camera concealing. That's the one I called on. They walked out without anything. There was another female that was already in the store that I was watching. She was the one that was wearing the tan that I was telling you about with the tan purse. And I said, I know she has something, I just can't stop her because I don't have her on concealment. But that's them right there. I think she looked pregnant when she came out.
Did they actually get anything, or is it just the one in the tan that...
You got the merchandise back, though, right?
I did. That's it. That's what they were concealing.
Right, in the bag,
Yes.
So when we were here the other day, they stole a bunch of 4T
4T.
Nike clothes, like 30 sets of, like...
Yes.
Bomboclad!
Yeah. But I just saw that tag. I was like, 2T, okay.